Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we are discussing thermodynamics. Some fill in the blanks are there, and you should remember that if you do the fill in the blanks at that moment during the exam, it will be very helpful. You can write down definition. You can select MCQ also. The measurable property of system like temperature, pressure and volume are called dash. They are state variables. Okay, for example, if you change the temperature, water, if 0 degree C, it will become ice. At 100 degree C, it start boiling, will get vapor, so state will be changed. That is why we are calling state variables. So T means temperature, pressure and volume, TPV or any name you can say. Okay, different properties of the system which depend on the state variables are called state function. So properties of the system which depend on the state variables are called state function. Now an extensive property depend on the dash. So it depends on the magnitude of the system. Why? Because extensive property depend on the amount of the substance. Okay, and if we double the amount, it will be extensive property will be double. So it depends upon the magnitude of the system. Ratio of two extensive property is a intensive property. How we can say? Mass divided by volume. Mass is a extensive property. Volume is also an extensive property, but density ratio of this mass by mass upon volume is always density, and it will be an intensive property. It is fixed. Water has 1 gram per cc. Every fluid or the, substance has definite density. It will not change by doubling the amount. Okay, so it does not, the intensive property does not depend on the amount. Okay, and the extensive property depend on the magnitude of the system. The properties of the property depend on the amount of matter in the system. If you double the amount, the property also doubles. Then it is an extensive property. For example, mass 10 gram, mass double, it will be 20 gram. Volume can be changed, mass can be changed, but ratio of them, mass by volume, cannot be changed. Density remain the constant. Density is an intensive property. Fixed, does not change when we change amount. Okay, why density is intensive property? I discussed this so that this will be clear to you. When we double the mass and volume, water density will remain the same. Density of water is fixed. Boiling point, density, refractive index, melting point, they are intensive property. In an isothermal process, the temperature of the system during various operations we have to see.